Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Uppsala University Student Portal. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search box to type in the name of the university, that's Uppsala University, log in, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying user account at Uppsala University. If you're a new student, then you must first activate your account by heading over to the given link. Tap on new student. Scroll down, accept all cookies, scroll down, and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your account. After you have activated your student account, you can head back over and then tap on Freza EDU ID or one-time passcode or bank ID to log into any one of these. For now, we're going to be tapping on Freza. Tap on first, continue. Here you'll have to approve the action in the Freza app and then log into your account after you've activated your account and set up the Freza app. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.